Myself Padmaja, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Now, let us start today the dictionary data type in Python. Now, first of all, what is a dictionary data type in Python? So, a dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Now, each key value pair, each key maps with its associated value. So, it is an example of mappings. So, in a dictionary is a collection of unordered collection of key value pairs where each item of the dictionary has a key value pair. We can also say that it is an unordered collection of key value pairs or items. Now, dictionaries are normally written in curly braces in Python. Let us see the syntax of dictionary. Now, dictionary D1 or dict1 is equal to key colon its value. So, a number of keys and its associated values can be written and separated by commas and enclosed within curly braces. So, this is the definition of a dictionary. Now, keys in a dictionary must be unique and the keys should be any one of the immutable data types. That means whenever you write a key in a dictionary, it should be any immutable data type. That means it can be strings or numbers or tuples. Whereas there is no uniqueness property for the values. So there is no stringent requirement for uniqueness and type of values. So while writing the values for a particular key, you can use any type of data type like you can use the mutable data types and also immutable objects or data types you can mention over there. Now, dictionaries are not sequences, but rather they are mappings. So what is a mapping? Mapping is nothing but a collection of objects that store the objects in terms of key value pairs. That means where each key is associated or mapped with a single value or a set of values. That is the meaning of mappings. So dictionaries are mappings, but it is not sequences. Please remember this key point. Now let us start with the examples. First, let us see how to create empty dictionaries. So to create a dictionary, there is a built-in method called dict method or dictionary method is there. Otherwise, using the curly braces also, you can create a dictionary. So here you can see the example D1 is equal to using the dictionary method dict, you can create a dictionary. So here print D1 means an empty dictionary is created. Similarly, D2 is also an empty dictionary which is created using the curly braces. So both are the valid ways for creating the empty dictionaries in Python. Now once a dictionary is created, we can add a set of key value pairs. Now let us see the next example, how to add the key values pairs to a dictionary. Now suppose D1 is a dictionary created through dict method. Then we want to add the key value pairs. D1 of A, within square bracket you have to write down the key. So if the key is a string, then you have to enclose within quotes. So here A, B, C are the characters, or A, B and H are the characters or strings. So you enclose within the key. So the key must be written in square brackets. So D1 of A is equal to apple. So here A is nothing but the key and the apple is nothing but its values. So in this way, one key value pair can be inserted into a dictionary. Similarly, D1 of B is equal to ball. So here B is the key and ball is its associated value. D1 of age is equal to 20, where age is the key and 20 is the value. So this is the manner you can add the key value pairs to a dictionary. So if you will print the dictionary, you can see the output that this is the first key value pair, this is the second key value pair, and this is the third key value pair. So you can see that the key values are separated by commas. So key colon values. In this format, a set of key value pairs are written. Now, next see that dictionary objects are mutable in nature. Now, how to check this property? Let us see some example. Now, for example, D1 of A. D1 is the dictionary we have created already. So, D1 is equal to an empty dictionary, for example. So, after creating this dictionary, let us add some key value pairs. So, D1 of A is equal to America. So, A is the key and America is the value. Now, print the dictionary. Similarly, D1 of C is equal to cat and D1 of B is equal to ball. For example, in the previous example, let us see D1 of A is equal to apple is there, D1 of B is equal to ball is there, and D1 of age is equal to 20 is there. Already to the same dictionary, we want to change the values. So, for changing the values, what we have done, instead of apple, we have changed this dictionary A for America and C for cat. Okay. So, if you will print here, so you can see the output A for America, B for ball, and C for cat. So, in this way, the dictionary objects are mutable. That means after creation also, you can change its values. So, we have learned here how to change the key value pairs in a dictionary. That is the mutable property of the dictionary we have verified. Now, next, let us talk about how to access the values from a dictionary. Suppose D1 is an existing dictionary and how to access the values from the dictionary. For example, D1 is a dictionary consisting of the keys roll number, name and course. Roll number is a particular roll number, name is Arna, course is BTech. Okay, so these are the three key value pairs it contains. Now, so first print the dictionary. So the dictionary will be printed as it is. Now you retrieve the roll number, name and course and display their values. So to retrieve, we can directly write print D1 of roll number is what? So whenever you will print the roll number, you will get its associated value. That means if you will write down the key, then its associated value will be displayed. So you can see here in the print statement, we have written the keys roll number, name and course. These are the three keys available in our dictionary. So by writing their key names, we are accessing their values. Your roll number 501, Arnab, BTech, these are the values we have access. So to access the values from a dictionary, we need to mention the keys in square bracket in the print statement. Now, while accessing the values, sometimes you may encounter the key errors. So what is a key error in dictionary? So while accessing the values, you may face the key error if the key is not present in the dictionary and you are trying to retrieve its values, then key error occurs. Let us see one example. So here D1 is the same dictionary consisting of three keys roll number, name and course and its associated values. Now, if you want to retrieve the values with the help of their keys, for example, D1 of roll number, D1 of name and D1 of course. These three keys are available in the dictionary, but this key is not available. This key is not available. So if you will try to retrieve its value, then what will happen? After printing the values related to roll number, name and course, it has generated one key error. So this key error indicates that this key is not found in the existing dictionary. So please be careful while accessing the values. You must provide the valid keys to retrieve its associated value. Now, let us discuss about how to add and modify an item in a dictionary. So if you want to add some new key value pair or if you want to modify one existing key value pair, how to do it with a dictionary. Let us see some example. Now, in this example, D1 is a dictionary consisting of three key value pairs, roll number, name and course. Now, first of all, let us access the values by writing D1 of roll number, D1 of name and D1 of course. So, you can see the values which is presently there is 501, Arnab and BTech is the values that you have simply retrieved. Now, let us try to modify the existing values. Now, First of all, I want to add one key value pair and then we'll discuss about how to modify the key value pair. Now, I want to add a new key value pair called marks of the student. So, D1 of marks. So, marks is the key and you are giving an associated value as 95. So, in this, 95 is nothing but its associated value. So, this key value pair is added to the existing dictionary. Now, you can print. Now you try to retrieve the value with the help of the key. So, D1 of marks, when you will write, you are retrieving 95. Now, in this example, up to this, we have seen how to add a new key value pair. Now, let us try to modify one existing key value pair. For example, recently we have added marks is 95. So, now let us modify the marks. So, we are writing D1 of marks is equal to 75. That means the existing marks were earlier 95. Now we are trying to modify to 75. So if you will see, and then you will try to print what is the marks that is stored into the dictionary, then you will find it is 75. So in this example, we have learned that how to add or modify the contents of the values in a dictionary. Now, let us discuss about how to delete an item from the dictionary. So, while deleting an item, let us see what are the different ways for deleting the item. Now, first of all, let us take one dictionary. The dictionary consists of your 4 key value pairs or 5 key value pairs: roll number, name, then course, then marks and address. These are the 5 key value pairs existing with its associated values. Now, let us see how to delete a particular key value pair. So, for deleting a particular key value pair, use the del keyword, del followed by D1 of course. So, if you will give only the key name, then it will delete the associated key value pair. So, del D1 of course, when you will provide key is the course and its associated key value pair. Course is BTech. So that key and its associated value will be deleted from the dictionary. Similarly, there is one more method called clear method. So if you want to clear the contents of the dictionary, you can use d1.clear. So if you will do d1.clear method, if you will apply, then all the key value pairs will be cleared, but the dictionary exists. But the key value pairs are simply cleared, okay, or removed. But so after clearing the dictionary, if you want to see the dictionary, then you will find that it is an empty dictionary. Then you will find it is an empty dictionary because the key value pairs have been removed, but the dictionary still exists. The dictionary object still exists. Now, but if you will try to delete the dictionary, use the del keyword. Instead of deleting the individual key value pairs, you can also delete the entire dictionary by writing the del command. So, del keyword, del followed by the name of the dictionary is D1. So, if you will write del D1, then the entire dictionary will be deleted from memory. Now, if you will try to print this dictionary, then you will find that this is a name error. Name error means the dictionary name, the dictionary object name D1 doesn't exist anymore. So, in this example, we have learned how to delete a particular key value pair by using the del keyword. Then we have learned how to remove all the key value pairs from a dictionary using the clear method, but how to keep the dictionary object as it is. So, clear method will keep the dictionary object, but it will clear only the contents. Similarly, if you want to delete an entire dictionary using the del keyword again. So, these are the different ways of deletion we have learned in dictionary. Now, let us go for another example where we want to randomly pop or remove an element or an item from the dictionary. So, how to do random pop or removing an item in the dictionary? Let us see through some example. Now, here D1 is an existing dictionary consisting of some set of key value pairs: roll number, name, course, marks and address. These 5 key value pairs exist in the dictionary. Now, first of all, print the original dictionary by writing the print statement. Original dictionary is D1. So, it will print the original dictionary. Now, let us pop one of the key value pair. So, you can use the built-in method pop. So, you can write name you want to pop. So, D1.name, D1.pop and provide the key over here. So, when you provide the key over here, then it will access you, it will give you its associated value. So, if you want to pop a particular key value pair, just to provide the key and it will retrieve the value for that particular key. So, D1.pop of name, if you will give, the name is, you will get its associated value as Arnav. Okay. Now, after popping D1, you can see that that key value pair doesn't exist anymore. This is one more way of removing a key value pair from the dictionary. So, using pop method, we have provided the key and we retrieved its associated value, and that particular key value pair is popped from the dictionary. It is no more in the original dictionary. So, you can see that after popping name, you can see that now only 4 key value pairs exist. Name is not existing. Now, let us see how to randomly pop a key value pair. So, in the normal pop method, we have given a particular key and its associated value, that key value pair has been popped. But if you want to do random popping, then you can use the method pop item. You can use the item pop item if you do. So, it will randomly pop an key value pair. So, in this case, you can see the example. It has randomly popped an item called address and its value is Hyderabad. So, this is randomly done. So, after that, if you will print the dictionary, only your 3 key value pairs left, that is roll number, codes and marks. These 3 key value pairs left. So, in this example, we have learned how to use the normal pop method to pop or to remove a particular key value pair, or we have learned pop item as the built-in method. So, using which you can randomly pop an key value pair from the existing dictionary. Now, let us see uses of duplicate keys in dictionary. Then what will happen? If you have duplicate keys in a dictionary, then what is the result of it? Now, let us see through an example. First of all, D1 is a dictionary consisting of key value pairs. So, roll number, then for roll number and its associated value, that is 501. Name is Arnab, then course is BTech. Again, name is there with Kirti. So, the name key is present 2 times. So, this name key is duplicate over here. So, in this case, whenever you will pop each one, then whether it will come twice or whether it will take only once. Let us see. Because keys in a dictionary follows the uniqueness property but not the values. So, whenever the key is repeated, it stores only once. So, if you will retrieve it, you will see that individual keys I am providing to retrieve its values. So, D1 of roll number, if I am giving, I am getting the roll number is 20951A0501. So, D1 of name, it is retrieving me only the latest name, that is Kirti, and D1 of course, it is giving me BTech. Because the earlier key was name, earlier name was Arnab. Whenever you will duplicate it, then it will overwrite with the Arnab was replaced by Kirti. Okay. So, in this way, it won't store the same key with different values twice. It will store it only once. That is the reason the value Arnab was replaced by Kirti. Okay. So, if you will now print the dictionary, you can see that there are only 3 key value pairs. So, this is the way the duplicate keys are not allowed in the dictionary. Now, let us go for some example to do sorting the items in a dictionary. So, to sorting the items in a dictionary, there is a built-in sorted method available. So, how to use the built-in sorted method? Let us see one example. Now, suppose D1 is a dictionary, so consisting of key value pairs, roll number, name, course and name. These are the 4 keys available in this dictionary. Now, before sorting the keys, let us print it. D1.keys. Keys is the built-in method using which we can print what are the keys available in the dictionary. So, the keys are, we can see that the keys are given in the form of a list. So, roll number, name and course. These are the keys available in this particular dictionary. So, this is known as the list of keys. This is known as list of keys. So, keys method always returns the list of keys. So, that's why it is a list. You can observe the square bracket of it. Okay. Now, if you want to do the sorting of the items. Items are nothing but, each item is nothing but a key value pair. So, if you want to do sorting, so sorted method is available in the list which can sort the keys. So, after sorting the keys are, use the sorted method. So, sorted method is a list method, sorted D1.keys. So, you can see here, first course has come, then name, then followed by roll number. Now, the keys are sorted using the sorted method of the list. So, this is the way we can sort the keys in a dictionary. Next, let us discuss about how to do iteration or iterating or looping over a dictionary. So, using the looping concept, how to display the key value pairs. So, let us talk about the for loop here, because the for loop by default works as an iterate which iterates over the sequences, the mappings and so on. So let us see one example of how to do looping over a dictionary. Now here D1 is a dictionary consisting of some key value pairs, roll number, name and course, and your name is there twice over here. Roll number, name, course and duplicate key is available here. So this is a duplicate key. Name is a duplicate key over here. Now, whenever your duplicate keys are there, this key Arnab, this name Arnab will be replaced by Kirti. Okay, with the latest value of it. Now, let us see how to iterate over the items and print the key value pairs. Now, for I in D1, where D1 is a dictionary or it is known as a mapping. So, for I in D1, print the value of I. So, what it is printing? So, it is printing only the keys of it. So, it is printing roll number, name and course. These are the three keys available. So, if you will simply iterate over a mapping, you will get only the keys. Now, but if you want to see its values, there is a built-in method called dot values method. So, you can simply write for I in D1 dot values. If you write D1 dot values, then its associated values will be displayed. So, you can see here 2095, 180501 and then Kirti and then BT. These are the three different associated values for the keys have been displayed. So, by default, if you will write a for loop to iterate over a dictionary, you will get only the keys. Okay. If you want to see its associated values, write D1 dot values. D1 dot values you have to write. Now, if you want to see both as a key value pair, keys and its associated values, then you can write for key comma value in D1 dot items. D1 dot items, every item is nothing but its key value pair. So, it will retrieve both its key and its value and separated by one tab space we have given. After printing each key value pair, there will be one tab gap and is equal to space. So, you can see here the roll number and its associated value and then name and its associated value and course and its associated value. So, the set of key value pairs are displayed over here. So, there are three ways of doing iteration. So, for I in D1, if you will simply write only keys, you will get. For I in D1 dot values, if you will write, then you will get only the values associated to keys. If you will write for key comma value in D1 dot items, then you will get both its key and values. For each key value pair, you can iterate or display from the dictionary. So, these are the ways of iterating or looping over a dictionary. Now, let us talk about how to do or how to create a nested dictionary in Python. So, to create a nested dictionary, so nested dictionary is nothing but dictionary within dictionary is called a nested dictionary. Now, let us see one example how to create it. Now, student is a dictionary. Students is a dictionary. Inside that, okay, so there are nested dictionaries are there. So, for Shivam is the first key. Shivam is the first key. For this, there is a nested dictionary. So, where again, three key value pairs are there. That is, in three different subject, three different marks are available. Like in CS 90, DS 85, AI 75. So, this is a nested dictionary. This is a nested dictionary. So, this nested dictionary is associated with a key 1. Similarly, second with key 2, Satyam. Again, there is a nested dictionary, so which is a set of marks for that particular key. Similarly, for Sundaram, this is the third key. With this, again, there is a nested dictionary which is associated with that particular key. So, in this way, this is one of the example where you can print the or where you can write the nested dictionary format. Now, let us see how to print the nested dictionary. So, using the built-in item method, we can print the key and its associated nested dictionary as the value. So, for key comma value in students dot items, because items is a dictionary, so consisting of three different inner dictionaries. That means, so students dot items will give you the key value pairs. So, where each key is nothing but the names Shivam, Satyam and Sundaram, whereas each value is nothing but a dictionary here. So this itself is a dictionary. So in this manner, you can print the key value pairs of a nested dictionary. So dictionary within dictionary is also useful in many applications. So thank you so much. In this video, you have learned about how to create a dictionary, how to access the values from a dictionary, followed by how to modify the values of a dictionary, and we have also learned how to sort a dictionary, and then followed by how to create a nested dictionary. So these are the basics regarding the dictionary concepts in Python. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.